Hey traders, let's have a market update. I'm going to be looking at the Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq. Be looking at the Russell as well too, and also the transports. Bit of an update today, show you what actually happened today and what's likely to happen moving forward. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so quick update. As I've been saying for the last month, that get ready for some form of a bounce because it's coming. And as you guys know, right, for the last month, I've had so many people just absolutely be so bluntly rude. Like one guy called me the C word. It's like, come on guys, are you serious? Are you absolutely serious? It's like, I'm not sure whether you're scared or fearful or that's why you're cranky or angry, but come on, I'm a guy on YouTube and I have my opinions. And if you, in fact, if you actually go look at what I've actually said is likely to happen, you know, over the last 12 months of my videos of all the different stocks and all that sort of stuff, I'm probably around 80% of the things I've been said on YouTube have actually come true and 20% haven't. One of those was I thought silver was going to break out by now and it didn't. And the other one that I definitely got wrong was that how far this was going to drop. But the one thing I have said, and as you guys know, right, is over the last month I've been saying, get ready for the bounce. And the bounces continue. Look how strong this is. Today, or yesterday, we got a drop down. And I know a lot of people think, oh, that's it. It's going to start to drop down. Oh, it's going to start to drop. There's all this bad news happening in the market. And the market just and it went up today. Same for the S&P 500. All right, still went up today. There's a lot of strength in where we are right now, guys. There's not even a short-term turnaround yet. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, but there's no sign of this starting to come down yet. And if there is, I'll let you know, okay, we're probably likely to see a bit of a short-term pullback. But look at this here, even on the Nasdaq as well too. But look at this, guys, okay? Look at this here. Look what's actually happening. We're starting to get a strong rise out of these markets now. And look at this here, right? We had a low, a higher low, a higher low, and a slight higher low. What does that mean? Same thing for here too, right? If I actually let me just bring up this chart here so you can see it a bit more clearer. Well, yeah, let me just use this chart here, should I say. Look at this here, low, higher low, higher low. This is still probably an equal low or maybe even a slight higher low, but see how we're still gaining strength. If we start to break these lows, then we could see some form of a short-term pullback. This is short-term momentum changing, right? Short-term momentum changing. And the way that works, right, is that if we have a higher low, a higher low, a higher low, a higher low, if the previous low or the previous 2 bars low is broken, especially if we close, then we're likely to start to see a shift, right? Look at this here. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Look at that. Broke one high, didn't break 2 highs. Lower high, broke 1 high, didn't break 2 highs. Lower high, lower high, lower high. Broke 1 high, not 2 highs. Lower high, higher low. Look at this here. That was the first time I broke 2 highs and then everything started to change. See that through there? We got a low here, we got back above. And it changed. So there's not an exact science to there, guys. But what I'm talking about here is this is a technique to use for short-term momentum, like what's happening right now. Right? Same for the Nasdaq as well too. Look at this here, higher low, higher low, higher low. So we're starting to really gain a lot of strength. So I wouldn't be too surprised if we did continue, especially this gap that's up the top here. This gap that's up the top here, that where the Nasdaq is, the S&P. Look, we're actually not that far away from actually now going to that gap. Look at this here. See that there? And the same for like even the Russell. Same thing, the Russell 3000, the Russell 2000. Look at this here, we're starting to gallop up. So I wouldn't be too surprised if we continue to see some strength rising out of this here. And also the transportation average as well too. The transports is actually right at this high level through here. But look what's happening through here. Higher low actually on the market itself, not just the bars here, okay? So the bars I was talking about there was a momentum technique. This is what? This is a higher low here. Look at this here. Russell 3000, higher low. Russell 2000, right? Higher low. The S&P 500, higher low, breaking up. The Nasdaq, higher low, breaking up. A higher low breaking past previous highs is not a bear market, right? That's not sellers in control. That's high. We all know that, right? Trend analysis, higher low and And S&P 500, higher low, breaking past previous highs. And the Dow Jones, higher low, breaking past previous highs. That doesn't mean things are going to change. That doesn't mean if the market's definitely not going to go down, guys. Because the fact of the matter is that right now we're seeing high lows. So we're seeing a trend change in the markets, right? Just like we saw back here when we had this lower high breaking past these lows. Who was definitely in control here until things changed? Sellers. Lower high, higher low, breaking past previous highs. Guess who's coming in right now? The absolute buyers. Hey traders, I am giving away a free trial to my Master Trader Lab monthly program. Now, in the Master Trader Lab, every month I do a live session. I do some education. At the end of the session, you can ask me questions, and that way I can help you help you with what's going on right now. Also, you can join our Master Trader Lab mastermind where you and all the other traders can link together. And in that mastermind, I also can share some education throughout the week, some updates, some thoughts, and so on and so forth in that mastermind as well too. So, and also every single month, I'm going to be releasing brand new trainings and helping you become what I call a master trader. That's a well-rounded trader. Now, also, as part of this amazing little thing that I'm doing right now, you also can get access to free access as part of this special here that I'm running to all my trading courses: Foundations, Chart Reading Mastery, Advanced Chart Reading Mastery, Trading Systems, 7-Figure Secrets, the Warren Buffett Success Formula. You're going to love that. And so much more. So if you go to mastertraderlab.com, you can see if you qualify to get access to this. And if you do get access to that, then you'll be able to see all the details of that. Once again, you're going to get free access to all that. It's a bit of a bribe to get you to try out the Master Trader Lab monthly. And I'm also giving you away a free trial right now. So I'm only doing that for a very select number of people. Once I get to a certain number of people that I'm very happy with, then the free trial goes away, all the bonus trading courses goes away, and the price goes up. So go to mastertraderlab.com right now to get all the details, to get free access to all my trading courses as a bit of a bribe, and also activate your free trial today to test it all out. And if you're not happy, let me know and you'll never be billed. Go to mastertraderlab.com and I'll see you there.